How to use Zangi private messenger app. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily log into this and use the app. First of all, you can download it on both Google Play Store and App Store. Once you've downloaded it, just open up the app. And now from here, you're going to have to agree to its terms and conditions and then click on register. And if you already have an account, you can click on sign in down below. I'm going to click on register right here. Now it will ask you for your notification permissions. Click on allow, allow the media permissions, and then from here you're going to have to enter your name. Once you have done that, tap on next, and now you're going to have to create a password. Once you have created your password and confirmed your password, click on continue, but you could just skip this process as well. So now here you can get your Zangi number and you can log in and sign into your account. If you forget this, you will lose access to your account. So you can simply go ahead and screenshot this to remember your number and then click on continue. Now once you have done that, you can share this to add friends on the Zangi app and you can chat with them, call them, and stuff like that. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll catch you on the next one.